Welcome back to Dr. Nasreen's Academy. In this video, I'll be presenting the second part of examination of head injuries, wherein I'll be covering the physical examination. So, physical assessment. So we have to look for the signs of basal skull fractures, increased ICP, and markers of skull fractures. So first is basal skull fracture. For basal skull fracture, we have to look for cranial nerve deficits, periorbital post-auricular ecchymosis, CSF rhinorrhea, otorrhea, hemotympanum. So ये सारी चीज़ें हमें देखनी है. All these things we have to look for. The second is increased ICP. So for increased ICP, we have to look for fundoscopic examination for retinal hemorrhage, signs of abuse, and papilledema. So all these two things we have to look for. Increased ICP, basically ICP जो है वो assess किया जाता है. It should be monitored in severe head trauma wherein GCS is 3 to 8, abnormal CT scan, hematoma, contusion, swelling, herniation, compressed basal cistern in this condition. And it is how it is calculated. It is CPP, cerebral perfusion pressure, which is normally more than 70 mm of Hg in adult and more than 60 mm of Hg in children. ICP is intracranial pressure, which ranges between 5 to 15 mm. So CPP is equals to mean arterial pressure minus ICP. Next are markers of skull fracture. Mein we have to palpate for the markers of skull fracture, palpation of scalp for hematoma, crepitance, laceration and bony deformity. अब नेक्स्ट इज उसके अलावा और क्या फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशन में करेंगे वे ऑस्कल्टेशन ऑफ कैरोटिड ब्रिज, साइंस ऑफ कैरोटिड डिसेक्शन देखने के लिए, साइंस ऑफ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इंजरी में एवेल्यूएशन फॉर सर्वाइकल स्पाइन टेंडरनेस, पेरिस्थेसिस, इनकॉन्टिनेंस, एक्सट्रीमिटी वीकनेस, प्रियापेज्म. एक्सट्रीमिटी शुड रिसीव मोटर एंड सेंसरी एग्जामिनेशन. Baseline laboratory investigation should include CBC including platelets, serum electrolytes and urea, serum glucose, coagulation status में PT-INR, activated PTT और blood alcohol level and toxicology screening can be indicated. तो ये सारी investigation हमें baseline करानी है. Indication of CT scan कब है? Eye opening only to pain or not conversing, GCS 12 or less, confusion or drowsiness followed by failure to improve within at most 1 hour of clinical observation or within 2 hours of injury. So उस condition में हमें CT scan कराना है. Fracture base of skull और depressed skull fracture and or suspected penetrating injuries अगर है तो उस condition में भी we have to go for CT scan. Deteriorating level of consciousness or new focal neurological signs, full consciousness with no fracture but other features, for example severe and persistent headache to distinct episodes of vomiting, अगर ऐसा है तो उस कंडीशन में हमें CT scan कराना है. इसके अलावा history of coagulopathy, for example warfarin use and loss of consciousness, amnesia or any neurological features. So in that condition also हमें CT scan कराना है. So these are the indications of CT scan. So traumatic brain injury, that is TBI, it can be classified into bone fracture, intracranial hemorrhage and diffuse axonal injury. Bone fracture may be open or closed, linear, comminuted, depressed or non-depressed. Intracranial hemorrhage it can be epidural hemorrhage or it can be subarachnoid hemorrhage or intraparenchymal hemorrhage and diffuse axonal injury. So this is how TBI is classified and how we can assess with the physical examination. In this video I have already presented. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.